Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the fried rice, chicken fried rice. First of all, I gotta stir fry chicken first. So I'm stir fry chicken. This chicken I marinate, do it just like Jasmine Restaurant. This is how I do it. That's why my chicken is different than anyone. My fried rice chicken is different. My chicken is juicy and tasty. This is the oil I use. To the onions. So this video is going to be longer than most. So I hope you can bear with me. I'll show you how to do it right. Okay. White ground pepper, mushroom soy sauce, just for taste, and mushroom flavored dark soy sauce to make the fried rice darker. And tiny bit of these accents for sand, and that's the main thing right here. So I put onions to make it smells good, and this time here comes the egg. This is Jasmine, the one you guys asked for. The chicken, rice. I cooked it and I put it in a fridge for a day or two. I cool it off. I just make better fried rice anyway. If you kind of, after you cook it and make it, it sticks to the pot. So this is how I do it. Pretty much. You don't have to put vegetables, peas and carrots. Yeah, you don't have to put them if you don't like it. Just like that, Jasmine. If I say no vegetable, I won't put them in there. The fire is not as hot as restaurant, so I can't put those in there yet until it's hot. Hi baby, is she good? Get all that olive oil off. Come here, girl. of salt. That's it. It's getting warm, so I can start putting ingredients in here. About that much rice. This thing is probably one. That's it. That ought to be more than enough. I never measure. I've been cooking for 50 years, so I don't hardly ever measure. It's always coming out just right. Pat of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just about half of these. For sauce. A couple of them. See the dark sauce already make it dark. So if you don't want that dark, you can just put 1 spoon. But this thing is for flavor right here. It's for taste good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done. That thing makes it smell so good. You're just about done.